A balanced diet is important for your health, but some foods are often eaten the wrong way. Here are some common foods that we might not consume properly. In our daily meals, we often forget that the way we eat certain foods can really affect their nutritional benefits. Here are 20 foods we commonly eat and tips on how to eat them better to get the most nutrients. Bananas are typically peeled from the stem down, but there's a simpler method inspired by our monkey relatives. If you flip the banana over and gently squeeze the bottom of the peel, it opens more easily. This technique not only makes peeling effortless, but also helps avoid squishing the fruit. Next time you enjoy a banana, give this monkey-approved method a try. When it comes to eating an apple, most people either bite into it or cut around the core, discarding it afterward. However, experts suggest that the core isn't something to worry about. The best approach is to start from the bottom and eat the entire apple, including the seeds. Just remember to wash the apple thoroughly beforehand to remove any pesticides, ensuring a delicious and healthy snack. Enjoying this video? Hit subscribe to stay updated with essential health tips and the latest updates on our channel. Hot dogs are a beloved American classic, but cooking them evenly can be a challenge, often resulting in a burnt exterior and a cold interior. To solve this problem, try cutting the hot dog in a spiral shape before cooking. This technique allows for better heat distribution, ensuring that your hot dog is perfectly cooked throughout and deliciously crispy on the outside. Give it a try for your next barbecue or picnic. When making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, many of us simply spread the two ingredients on the bread without much consideration. However, for a tastier twist, try spreading peanut butter around the edges of both slices and placing the jelly in the center of one slice. This method not only keeps the jelly from oozing out, but also ensures every bite is perfectly balanced. Press the slices together and you'll enjoy a deliciously satisfying sandwich. Peeling and slicing a mango can often be a messy task, leaving much of the delicious fruit clinging to the pit. To make this process easier, try cutting the mango in half and then sliding each half down the edge of an 8-ounce glass. This technique allows the fruit to easily separate from the skin, resulting in clean pieces that you can slice or dice without waste. Enjoy your perfectly prepared mango in salads, smoothies, or just on its own. Baked potatoes often require a long cooking time and can end up dry if not prepared properly. To enhance both flavor and texture, try making 1 by 4-inch vertical slices down the potato before baking. Slip in slices of butter or cheese between the cuts, allowing the flavors to infuse as it cooks. This method not only keeps the potato moist, but also creates a delicious, cheesy, and buttery treat that takes your baked potato to the next level. If you've ever struggled with the ratio of frosting to cake on your cupcakes, there's a simple solution. Try twisting off the bottom half of the cupcake and placing it on top of the frosting. This creates a delicious cupcake sandwich that perfectly balances the flavors and textures in every bite. Not only does it enhance your cupcake experience, but it also makes it easier to enjoy without a mess. Give this fun technique a try for your next batch of cupcakes. Kiwis can often be messy and tricky to peel or slice, but there's a simple way to enjoy this delicious fruit. Just cut the kiwi in half and use a spoon to scoop out the fruit, treating it like a little bowl. This method not only makes it easier to eat, but also ensures you get every last bit of the nutritious and flavorful fruit. Enjoy this super healthy treat without the hassle of peeling. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, but digging out the seeds can often leave your fingers stained red. To make the process easier and cleaner, cut the pomegranate in half and twist each half slightly. Then, gently tap the back of each half with a wooden spoon and watch as the seeds effortlessly pop out. This simple trick not only saves you from the mess, but also allows you to enjoy this delicious fruit with minimal hassle. Cutting soft foods like cheese or cake can be messy, with pieces sticking to the knife. A simple solution is to use regular, unflavored dental floss. It glides through the food smoothly, giving you clean, perfect slices every time. Hash browns can often turn out greasy or overcooked when fried in a pan. For perfectly crispy results, try cooking them in a waffle iron instead. This method allows the excess oil to drain away while ensuring even cooking and a delightful crispy texture. Love using shallots but hate peeling them? Here's a tip. Soak them in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes and the skins will slide right off. In America, we often use spoons and knives to eat pasta, but in Italy, that's a big no-no. Italians believe you should only use a fork to eat pasta, and using other utensils is considered a serious mistake. Asparagus can be tricky to cook. If you leave it in too long, it becomes mushy and limp. To keep it firm and crispy, steam or stir-fry it quickly. Never boil it. Smashing lobster or crab with a hammer can be fun, but it often leaves you with little meat. For the best results, use kitchen shears. They make it easier to cut through the tails, claws, legs, and knuckles, helping you get more of the delicious meat. Eating chicken wings can be messy and tricky. For an easier way to get all the meat off, gently twist and pull off the cartilage at the end. This will loosen the bones, making it simple to remove them and enjoy your wing without the hassle. Peas can be tricky to eat individually, but they're much easier when mashed together. Just use your fork to mash them up and enjoy. How many times have you bitten into a taco only to have the hard shell break and everything spill out? While lettuce usually goes inside the taco, try wrapping a larger piece of lettuce around the outside of the shell. This will help prevent it from breaking and catch any extra fillings that fall out. Eating watermelon in a half-moon shape can be messy. For neat chunks, cut a seedless watermelon in half. Then, make 3 horizontal cuts on each half, slicing through the rind. Next, cut around the edge of each half and grid cut the fruit. You'll see the little pieces fall out perfectly. Ketchup packets can be a hassle when you're eating on the go. They're messy and tend to squirt everywhere. But there's a better way to use them. Instead of squeezing the packet, tear off a corner to create a mini bowl for dipping your fries. We hope this video opened your eyes to some common food habits that might be holding you back from maximizing the health benefits of your daily meals. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and tricks on how to eat smarter and live healthier. Let us know in the comments which food habit surprised you the most and what topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, eat well and take care.